Looking for the best bullet blender? After researching over 30 different models, we bought 5 of the best to test side by side. Our kitchen experts went to work, blending up garbanzo beans, coffee, fruits, and veggies, all in the name of testing. We made delicious hummus and smoothies and evaluated the consistency repeatedly. We also assessed features, settings, cleanup, and storing ability. After months of testing, we offer you our recommendations, founded on our unbiased and in-depth research designed to help you explore the best options on the market that may help you to make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. NutriBullet Magic Bullet Blender. The NutriBullet Magic Bullet has built up a cult following and is one of the most recognizable bullet blenders on the market. After testing the Magic Bullet, we see what the hype is all about. It boasts a classic design, great performance, and an affordable price tag. The multiple blending cups are ideal for food prep, making this an excellent option for getting dinner ready when entertaining guests. The drawback is the low wattage motor. This design increased our blending time when attempting to reach the desired consistency. It does come at a cost, but it also comes with an array of additional accessories. We believe that the Magic Bullet is a solid buy that will stand up to repeated use. Reasons to buy: affordable, multiple accessories, ideal for food prep. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Personal Smoothie Blender. The first thing we noticed with the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender was the cup design. This tapered wide-mouth cup has a shape akin to tumblers and fits well in vehicle cup holders. We noticed how good the Hamilton Beach was at blending, especially given the price. We like the fast and easy setup along with the multicolor options. On the downside, the Hamilton Beach model lacks a few things. First, the lid is not the easiest to pop on and off. It also leaks. This issue is not a defect but rather the lid design. The quality and material are cheaper than other models, and the smooshed together fill lines are not the most convenient for measuring. On the other hand, you can make a solid frozen beverage for a reasonable price. Reasons to buy: inexpensive, good for smoothies, fits in most vehicle cup holders. Number 3. Ninja Personal Blender. Impeccable performance and quality construction earn the Ninja Fit the top spot in our review. The mid-range power of 700 watts hits the sweet spot of satisfying all your blending needs without going full-on pro. The Fit passed our blending test with flying colors from drinks to dips. We are particularly fond of the exceptional quality and design of the dual blending cups alongside the matching leak-proof lids. As for what we weren't fond of, there wasn't much. The one improvement we would recommend is incorporating an on-off switch. The current design requires you to press down the jar to operate, making it impossible to multitask. Other than this minor detail, we recommend the Fit to anyone in the market for a bullet blender. Reasons to buy: exceptional performance, quality construction, dishwasher-safe cups, lids, and blade. 2 highly portable blending cups. Number 4. Oster My Blend Blender. We were pleasantly surprised by how well the Oster My Blend pureed hummus and blended frozen fruit for a personal-sized bullet blender. The portable cup is good for those on the go, while the capacity is ideal for a single serving. While the operation process is straightforward, getting the Oster to blend was another story. The blender turned on by pushing and turning the blending cup into the motor base, which was somewhat finicky. We often had to try multiple times to get the blender to work. The sporty design is also not the most attractive option. That being said, the Oster will serve those who want a personal-sized blender. Reasons to buy: portable blending cup, great for smoothies, inexpensive. Number 5. Cincred Countertop Blender. Don't be fooled by the compact size. The Cincred Countertop Blender packs a punch. During our blending test, it produced exceptionally fine coffee grounds and velvety smoothies. The max fill lines were easy to read, and the blender was even easier to operate. The portable, slim design takes up virtually no kitchen counter space. This design means you can leave it out, so it's more accessible for busy mornings. Our main complaints with the Cincred are that it's not the most powerful option, and the blending cup capacity is minimal. However, if you want a compact option that whips up a mean beverage, you'll be pleased with what the Cincred has to offer. Reasons to buy: inexpensive, compact, great for smoothies and grinding coffee. 2 blending cups with different style lids, attractive design. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.